Welcome to Ap4Menu. Today we are going to see a kids special recipe, Chilli Bread. When you make this recipe, kids will start loving it and you can make this recipe in just 5 minutes of time. Let's get started and check out the recipe. In a tawa, spread some butter. Once the butter melts, place the bread slice and roast it well. Add some more butter to the tawa and flip the bread slice and roast the bread slice on both the sides. Let the bread slices be roasted well in the butter. Roast about 4 to 5 bread slices and cut them into small 1-inch sized pieces. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and saute it for a minute. Add 2 finely chopped green chilli and saute it. Along with it, add 1 cup of roughly chopped onions and saute till the onions slightly sweat. Once the onions become transparent, add in 1 cup of capsicum and saute it for another 2 minutes. Once the capsicum turns slightly soft, add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 spoon soya sauce, salt as per your taste, half spoon chilli powder, and give it a nice mix. Since the sauce will already have salt in it, add the salt accordingly. Chilli powder is also optional. If you want extra spice, you can add it, otherwise you can skip it. You can also use chilli sauce instead of chilli powder. Now add in the roasted bread pieces and give it a nice mix. Make sure the sauce completely coats to the bread pieces evenly. Let the bread pieces cook along with the sauce for another 2 minutes. Your yummy, tasty and different style chilli bread is all ready to be served. Do try this recipe and enjoy with your friends and family. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.